Oh, yo, I'm about to fix this myself real quick. My suspension shot.
Plugs will give it some extra bounce, my guy.
Yo, he really trying to Frankenstein that Caddy.
Let's see what she got. Yo, that's wild. This ain't Cali.
You ever seen spark plugs in a control arm?
Only in nightmares.
Don't let AutoZone turn you into a bouncer. Choose Cleveland Auto Repair, where real pros handle the work.
Cleveland Auto Repair brought my baby back.
Visit us at thelandautorepair.com or call 855-CLE-AUTO.